So you're in Sanremo for a few days and you are curious what to see? Well, we're gonna take you around the town and show you some of the spots that are very popular for Sanremo. Okay. Alright, so we're taking a little walk. And we found something very fascinating. I don't know if there's a meaning behind it, and it's a pink fountain. So the water that's coming out of the fountain is pink. Can you see it, guys? It's pink. Alright guys, so according to Hano, because I don't read, this place was very popular. This place was like the Monaco back in the 1920s, 1930s. According to Hano, don't mark me on it, but I believe him. It was for the wealthy, and they came here and explored and gambled. But now, it's kind of like, it's still popular because it has the beach and stuff, but it has fallen off. And now it's just a normal tourist place. Yeah, so we're now walking in the town up the hill, and I'm breathing hard, as you can see. So let's see what we find. And look, there's a place here. This month, October, David turns 14, and as a rites of passage, Hannah is buying him a leather purse. Purse or wallet? Wallet. So now he's a man who has his own money. So we're in a beautiful leather shop, and we're going to find him something. I would ask you guys to help us pick, but by the time we buy it, by the time you see this video, we would have bought it already. So doesn't make sense. So we found a street that is quite busy. I honestly don't know if it's with tourists or locals, but it kind of it's mixed here. I see tourists and I see locals. Basically what I'm seeing, everybody's wearing their mask, or most people are wearing their mask. And I wonder how busy it is like when it's not a pandemic. If it's more busy, huh? Because it looks quite busy, as is. Hannah found a shop that he likes. Noodles, mushrooms, noodles. Artichokes and what? Cheese, I see. Whenever you visit the town of Sanremo, make sure you go to the art galleries, visit a leather shop and see if you find something nice for yourself. Go into those small little streets, they're very cute. Find a cafe, drink some coffee, visit the meat shop, get some sausages, get some sweets. Italy is popular for its amazing sweets. And guys, most of all, check out the cheese selection. Yummy. In this footage, I was busy talking to you guys, but my mic wasn't on. So behind me is the Russian Orthodox Church, which was built in the late or towards the end of 1913. It's a result of an increasing number of wealthy and sick Russians. They were sick with tuberculosis mostly, spending most of the winter months in the Italian Riviera. So this church is a result of that. Isn't it beautiful? beautiful architecture. So after a well-deserved coffee break, we headed up the hill by car to the Church of Madonna della Casa. We wanted to walk, but it was too far for us. But the view is absolutely breathtaking. If we had to walk, it would have been worth it. And guys, since this town is big on gambling and casino, please go see the casino. It's beautiful, the architecture is nice. And after a busy day of shopping and sightseeing, find yourself a nice little spot, preferably beneath somebody's clothes, and have a delicious meal, as we did. Enjoy, guys.
I didn't know. I didn't see what it was.
You don't have orange